Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gems. Myself Madhu Jain, HOD of Gems. Our today's topic is magic of E. Come on, let us see what is the magic of E. As you all know, the pronunciation of vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. These are all vowels. Now, A is pronounced as A. E is pronounced as A. I is pronounced as E. O is pronounced as O. And U is pronounced as A. Now, let us just go through these words. C-A-N, can. A is pronounced as A. R-A-T, rat. C-A-R, car. B-A-D, bad. H-A-T, hat. F-A-T, fat. Now, shall we see the magic of E? See here. Now, this E is coming here and it's joining here. When E comes and join with the other vowel, the sound change. It becomes long sound. It becomes cane. It converts into the original alphabetical sound. A, B, C, D. We pronounce A. So, it is converted into the original sound A. Can. A becomes A. C-A-N, can becomes C-A-N-E, cane. Now, E is coming and changing the sound. This is the magic of E. See next, R-A-T, rat. When E comes and join here, it becomes rate. C-A-R, car. When E comes and join, it becomes care. B-A-D, bad. When E is coming, it becomes bed. H-A-T, hat. When E comes and join, it becomes hate. F-A-T, fat. When E comes, it becomes fate. Now, what is the magic here? A sounds converts into A sound, which is originally alphabetical sound. When we are saying A, B, C, D, A sound, alphabetical sound. So, A sound converts into its original alphabetical sound A. Can, cane. Rat, rate. Car, care. Bad, bed. Hat, hate. Fat, fate. Same with the other vowel sounds. I here is pronounced as E. S-I-T, sit. B-I-T, bit. H-I-D, head. R-I-D, red. Now, as when E comes here, it shows its magic. It becomes sight. I we pronounce as I. Its original sound, alphabetical sound, I. S-I-T-E, sight. B-I-T-E, bite. H-I-D-E, hide. R-I-D-E, ride. So, did you observe guys? When E is coming, the sound of I changes to its original alphabetical sound I. Okay. Same with O sound. N-O-T, not. O. C-O-P, cop. C-O-N, con. H-O-P, hop. Now, let us bring E here. E is coming here. N-O-T-E, note. O becomes O. That is its original alphabetical sound. C-O-P-E, cope. C-O-N-E, cone. H-O-P-E, hope. So, O becomes O, its original sound. Now, same with U sound. C-U-T, cut. A sound. M-U-T, mud. A sound. T-U-B, tub. A sound. C-U-B, cub. A sound. Now E is coming again. C-U-T-E, cute. U sound. U is converted into its original alphabetical sound. U. M-U-T-E, mute. U. T-U-B-E, tube. C-U-B-E, cube. So did you observe, guys? All these vowel sound is changed into its original alphabetical sound, and it has become a big A, big I, big O, and here E is very silent. E is silent, and it's showing its magic on other vowel sounds. So we call E as magical E. So this is the magic of E. I hope it's very clear. Okay? Thank you.